I just took off this white outlet, swapped it out with this black one. I'm gonna show you how. It is so easy to do. First up, find your electrical panel and cut the power to that outlet. I've already taken the faceplate and removed the outlet from the wall, which is just as simple as unscrewing it. Now the wires are connected to the outlet currently, so we're going to take all of those off. These wires are looped around the screws, so I just take a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to loosen those screws enough to pull the wires off. The wires are pretty stiff, so I like to use needle nose pliers to help me pry those off. Most outlets have 3 wires. You have your ground wire, which is usually green or copper and goes on the green screw of the outlet. You have your neutral wire, which is white and goes on the silver screw of the outlet. Then the black wire, which is your hot wire and goes on the brass screw of the outlet. If you have 2 sets of wires, both white need to go on the silver screws, both black need to go on the brass screws. Next, we're going to connect the wires, and I like to do it in this order. We're going to start with the ground wire. It's going to go on that little green screw right there. So I'm going to take the screwdriver, loosen the screw a little bit, and then we can loop the copper wire over the green screw. Once you've got the copper wire looped around the screw, take some needle nose pliers and you can kind of clamp the ends of the wire together. So as you can see here, I'm just taking the pliers and clamping it tight around that screw. And then I'll take the screwdriver and tighten the screw. You do want to use a manual screwdriver for this, don't use a power driver. Next, I'll attach the white wire, and that's going to go on one of the silver screws. If you have 1 set of wires like I do here, it doesn't matter which silver screw that you use. If you have 2 sets of wires, then you'll need to have a white wire on each of the silver screws. And again, I loop the wire around the screw, and then I take the pliers to clamp it tight. And then of course, take your screwdriver and tighten the screw down. Finally, let's connect that black wire, and it's going to go on the brass screw. I am taking the pliers here and I'm moving the direction of the loop, and that's because I want the loop to go clockwise around the screw. That way when I'm taking the screwdriver and I'm tightening the screw clockwise, the loop doesn't back itself out. And then of course, let's clamp that tight around the screw and then tighten it with the screwdriver. And that's it. Now we'll gently fold the wires back into the box. Then we'll screw the outlet into the outlet box. Now for this point, you can use a power screwdriver. Now we can turn the power back on and then attach the faceplate. And that's all there is to it. Now we can enjoy our new outlet, which blends into this new accent wall that we just put in here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.